Welcome to SASIEDU. This is the very first episode of Learn with SASIEDU. In today's video, we will explore how to plot compaction curves, that's both standard and modified proctor, using laboratory data. So we will fit both standard and modified proctor curves on the same graph, and I'll be using OriginPro 2021 version. I'd like you to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment so I can keep bringing you more content. Now let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is launch your OriginPro software. You will see a new page where you have to select a new blank document. When the new blank document opens, we want to add more columns. So you go to columns, add new column. So now you want to add 2 columns. So you type in the 2. You want to change it to X so that it will be easy to plot. You want to have X and Y, X and Y. And you change it. Then we fill in the long names, units, and comments. So the x-axis will be water content, and y-axis will be dry density. Unit for water content is percentage. Therefore, then dry density 2 is grams per cubic meter. And comment 2. So the first 2 columns will be standard proctor. That's where you will insert compaction data. And we move on to, so we can now we want to adjust the cell so that we can see all that we have in each cell. So when you are done, you can just copy everything and paste it in the next columns. Because it's the same thing. The only thing that will be changing is a modified. So you change the standard to modified proctor. Now that's it. So now we try to import your data set. So my data set is in Excel. So now you can see Excel. So you select the data, then you bring it into Origin. So you copy it and paste it. So you will do same for the standard proctor and modified proctor. Then you select the whole in the data. You have to select all the data. Then you right click. Then you choose plots. So from the plot, you choose line plus symbol plot. See, you get your plot simple. There is another approach too, where you use the plot setup. Now what we want to do is, we have our plot here, but we have to make it nice, so you have to organize it. So you select one of the plots and go to plot details. So here you see the dialog box that will open. You will see edit mode. We have independence and dependence. So independence is if the effect that you want to, what you are coming to change, you want it to affect only the plot that you selected, then you have to choose the independence mode. But if you want it to affect both the plot that you have, then you have to use the dependence mode, so that you can have the effects on the two plots. So now the rest is adjusting the axis so that the labelings will suit what you want. Yes. So here you'll be using 1.6 on the vertical axis to 2.2, and on the horizontal axis too, we'll start from 0 to 20. Yes, I think that makes our plot nice. Then when you are done with everything and you want to give your plots a title, you just go to the title block, and where you want to place your title, you want to put it at the top, so you have to show it. So you select the show, then you type in the title of your plot. So here our own was compaction curve, so you type in compaction curve, then you click on OK. Now here you want to organize our legend. So now since we have our plot and everything, for compaction our main focus is on determining our maximum dry density and optimum moisture content. So Origin has made everything simple for us. So what you do is you select the screen reader, then you put it on the plot, so the maximum point, so you put it on it. It will give you the readings. You see, now you have our OMC and MDD for both plots, so we can do comparison with it. So now what's
left is how to export our plots. So you go to File, then Export Graphs. The dialog box will open. So depending on what you want it to be, if we want it to be PDF, select PDF. If you want it to be PNG file, so I want our own to be JPEG file. So we select that file extension and you give our file a name, Compaction curve, and you can choose where you want to save your file. That is the file path. You choose it, everything, then you select OK. Thank you for listening to me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Drop a comment on what you would like to see in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.